Gates open, that up, and racing Empire Maker. Iskarab moving up by the rail. Hepburn in between runners. Bombs. Big Bone, the favorite, is on the outside, followed by Primavera, Martini Idol, Royal Pleasures running second last, Dugo's favorite, and Strong Boy. Past the last 900 and going to the final 800 is Karab, followed now by Bombs in second, Hepburn running in third, then racing in fourth, Marini Idol, Primavera running on the outside by the rail, Strong Boy, Big Bone, Royal Pleasures running third last, second last, Empire Maker, and trailing the group is Dugo's favorite as they turn to the last 450. Is Karab still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Is Strong Boy now running in second and moving up. Marini Idol, Hepburn, Royal Pleasures by the rail, Primavera with the last 150 more to run. Is Karab still leading the field, then running in second is Strong Boy, and leading the finish line it's going to be Iskarab. Is Strong Boy close between Primavera and Hepburn. Close for fifth between Big Bone and Royal Pleasures. For your Pentapecta,